Meet ACO Power Test Fridge, the world's first portable freezer designed specifically to fit in the sub-trunks of Tesla Model Y and Model 3. With 20-liter and 35-liter capacity options, Test Fridge offers practical storage for all your needs. Test Fridge is designed to fit seamlessly into your Tesla sub-trunk, making efficient use of space. Equipped with a high-quality cooling compressor, cool food and drinks from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to -4 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 minutes. The Bluetooth app assures you to monitor the temperature with just one tap. The powerful Tesla portable freezer is the ultimate companion to make your road trip so much better. The hollow design around the Test Fridge serves to regulate the temperature. Apart from Tesla charging, Test Fridge can also handle other charging methods, like power stations and portable batteries. Test Fridge makes you enjoy the fresh food you love at home wherever you want. Take your Tesla experience to the next level with Test Fridge, your efficient on-the-go cooling and storage solution. Get it on Kickstarter now.